Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Airfrance, flight booking and travel management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Airfrance is an official airline app designed to help passengers easily book, manage, and check in for flights across the world. The app allows users to search for flights, compare fares, and complete secure bookings in just a few taps. It's available on both iOS and Android and integrates with the Flying Blue loyalty program, enabling frequent flyers to earn and redeem miles conveniently. The app also provides digital boarding passes, real-time flight updates, and personalized travel notifications to keep passengers informed throughout their journey. The app's main feature is its complete travel management system. You can check in online, select or change your seat, add extra baggage, and view detailed flight information. Users can also track their flight status and receive alerts for any delays or gate changes. Frequent travelers benefit from a smooth interface that connects directly with Air France and partner airlines for multi-leg trips. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the Air France app for its clean layout, quick booking process, and accurate flight notifications. The ability to manage every step of your journey, from ticket purchase to boarding, makes it convenient and time-saving. Integration with the Flying Blue reward system also adds value for loyal travelers. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have reported occasional login issues, slow loading times during high traffic, or problems downloading boarding passes offline. In rare cases, customer support through the app may take longer than expected. Despite these minor inconveniences, the overall user experience remains positive. In summary, the Air France app may be worth using if you frequently travel internationally and want an all-in-one tool to book, manage, and track your flights. However, if you rely on multi-airline travel planning or need faster in-app assistance, third-party booking apps might provide more flexibility. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.